Michael, your imagine why diva cardigale. Has me gulfreed na Nótaí théama an dáin nua in ye. So vi me can you laugh valley freed na théami agus prev smointje an dáin agus stop me Jericho shop. So shahanat romuj vi mud you kind fui dúlra. We were talking about nature. Agus vi mud you grach gur sna shan árainn Ghrá in the old love stories and love poems. There used to be like perfection in the person that was loved on Lianan on Illa. So yeah, I gumbraj lesh on dúlra. In comparison to nature, everything was perfect about this person, just like in nature. But a waller to the father ta an sha sadan sha, but we have the total opposite in this poem because she recognizes that he's not perfect, but is come alehi mar níl shishin táhachtach. So lani me rai leis na Nótaí príomh smointse an dáin sha. So Rainian and Phyllis sha ewana alir picture Ghrá-sa on nader on dúlra an arnya in a mask. Amongst them she mentions an yarn arnya, which is the blossom of the blackthorn bush. Again, onid a lanan a her hokeam le blachnan arna no nonini, but instead of making her lianan, her lover, her sweetheart, compared to flowers or nonini daisies, Jershi Nakwal Ain Kosulukta Atarhu, she said there's no similarity between them. Nakwal she Kosul le blachana, she shin lera Nakwal she dahul, Neil gra gyal dahul. Is doiha gwil nula ni gonal a genu cap magi din na hawrain Ghrá. So it seems like she's a genu mac magi de is mocking kind of the hawrain Ghrá, the old love poems, old love songs. Agus de chun cap on Ghrá I gotchina sa sail sha, and that she's actually taken the mickey out of the concept of love a gotchina in general in this world, what people think love is or what's important. Is kosul go gapan she go an omerke beema sna man freshen an aliocht izikach. She thinks there's an omerke beema, barriocht beema, too much emphasis sna man mo commerçage in the media, an aliocht izikach. You know, the likes of Instagram and all the rest of it. It's all emphasis on physical beauty. Agus nach dig ter táhacht character an dinner geminnig. And that often we don't understand táhacht character an dinne, the importance of the character of a person. Agus ke ko táhacht agus the tashishin is éadrum an dansha. It's a light kind of a satire on dansha. That she ig eru nosin a convention of Ghrá because she's satirizing the conventional notions of what love is and what's important in love. Ta a cháhachtach ag na Lúibíní Sudan Noi, but of course there's an important place for the Lúibíní, the irony that's contained in the Lúibíní in the brackets, the fact that Idir Lúibíní in the title is Idir Lúibíní. So he might be my lover, my sweetheart, my husband, but Níl sé furfa, he's not perfect. Ta lochtana he does have faults. Sin na Lúibíní, so it's love but with a caveat. Factory dosa gaid sa tedjal, we see this in the title, agus tegamujuhu an sha, and we understand that Kega will fill in Ghrá len a Ghrá gyal, even though she's in love with her Ghrá gyal a lianan a far kiela. Tan éidirach dan nach will she akagiri cur leis an dúgran Sudan. It's possible that she's just trying to cur leis an dúgran to add to the kind of black humour in the poem. So céad three versa, Shasan na Lúibíní de réaltacht an tail. In the first three verses, the brackets stand for réaltacht an tail. You know, the realities of life. Agus tashban and shilio, nach will ein rod na dinne an sail gan lucht. She said there's nobody in this world gan lucht, free from fault or flaw. Ní hen glishe kjol war the hulje, ta dro kongrach da kele an géad dul shees. So his eyes aren't glistening and musical, they're too close together to begin with, an géad dul shees. So Níl Súilje Jasa ega, but Níl Súilje furfa ag dinne bí do, and nobody in the world has perfect eyes. But Níl sé sin táhachtach don illa. I versa cahar, tá taggart de gan galúil Shakespeare, there's a reference to Shakespeare's black-haired woman. It's sonnet 130. Daravanya, my mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. In an yenin she cursius magul a Ghrá gyal, in which Shakespeare describes in a mocking way his sweetheart, a Ghrá gyal, a van gu, a van le grúi gu, a hug inspraj do in a cuj filiachta. She inspired him in his poetry, even though she wasn't perfect. ach a ro black wires ag fas ar a cion, so bhí grúig na mrá sin, the hair on that woman was like black wires as well. So tá macala le fecail idir an dáin sin agus an dáin seo. Macala, there's a parallel. So versa Jernach, tá teachtarach an dain le fecail a ríis idir na Lúibíní. So tá teachtarach, tá message le fecail idir na Lúibíní between the brackets. Snalínte rumpu seo, in these lines, taken which girl comma leis an if we gahalacht for, we see that the poet doesn't care about how good looking her husband is. You know, the handsomeness of her man, it's the genitive there, far changes to fwy gahulacht a fur. Tush go will she inan, tush go will she abalta, tush gur féidir leis, ula a chur fildy, because he can make ula turkey fruit available to her. She sin reachtan is na baha, and that's the necessities of life. Na ruddy atá the yeehurt sa tail shaw, aren't a fresher, but sometimes as well. Brunnen she or tuggin she, cara finuna, or he gives her cara finuna, grapes, so sin sowna until, and that's the luxuries of life. So tuggin she ara wai, da van kela, shin fella, nulani gonal, agus tashi break the shin, and she appreciates that. So Neil gruig a fur kela jas, Neil sulia jasa ega, Neil she inta dahul, Neil she kosu le blahana, but as comma leis an ilaf wishin, mar tegan she na rudi atá táhachtach sa fósu. She understands what's important in marriage, agus ni win she shin le comma isakach and dinya. That isn't the physical appearance of a person, it's more on doi, on character atá on, the personality, parson tugsega, agus on ara a hugan she di, and the care that he takes of her. So nura tamuja kaint fui herhi, ula, cara finuna, shasan she shin, the reachtan na baha, that stands for the necessities of life, agus soana until, and the luxuries of life. So ke nakwil an farkela furfa, ta an fila go homlanding ra lehi, agus is leir gwil kaidru special to idir an verch. Is leir fecamwij go will kaidru special to atarhu. Agus shin na théami sedan idir on tutorial bug a hug medi vinye agus in you, agus lani mirai amarach le mohu kain an dain, but be kinche go will na Nótaí na théami erolas agav don ceacht amarach mar kaim muj lansnarai. Okay, gur maig of a carja amor slan life.